So hello there. I was having problems with my this sliding patio door, and this door is from 1986. This whole building is from 1986. Anyway, it wouldn't. Now that I've changed it, it I can move it in and out real nicely. And the trick is you have to change this, which is there's two of them. It's like underneath the door. It's right here. And I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos trying to figure out how to do it. And with this model, it's not that simple. The rest of them, this sliding door is actually on the outside. And the problem with this one is on the inside. So yeah, all the other ones that I saw online, the window is on the outside and it's easy. You just pull it up and take it out. But this one is on the inside. So the trick with this one is what you got to do is you got to find these two little screws, and they were here. See, there's a location of one of them. I haven't put them back on. But anyway, there's one, this one, and there used to be another one down here somewhere. So anyway, these two little screws, you got to take them out. And once you take them out, then you gotta take these guys out. The sliding for the mosquito, you got to take the mosquito screen out. So open these two, and then okay, once you do that, then you can take the mosquito screen out. Then what you got to do is come down here and take this guy out. Just put like a screwdriver underneath this and take this out. And then now you this other big window over here. And what you do is right now it's like it's in there. It's jammed in this like a track. So you pull it out, and then you have to push it up, and then you tilt it out from underneath. But this thing weighs like 40-50 pounds, so you got to make sure you can handle 40-50 pounds weight, or else get somebody to help you out. And once you take it out, then once this guy comes out, then you can actually take the inside this other one out. So once you take this out, then change this and these rollers over here. And Home Depot had it like for around $10. So this is one of the better ones. The one that came out of this was the original one. It was really horrible. Anyway, so put the new ones in there and just put it in there. The only thing that tricky part I found was on some of the YouTube videos, I see them actually taking this screw out, actually kind of trying to disassemble this whole window jam. Don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. So once you take this outside out, you can take that out and then tilt it around, change these guys. Once you change it, and then be careful. Over here, I'm by mistake, I kind of grabbed it from this end, and it actually the aluminum part came apart. So if it comes apart, take the whole thing out, re-put the rubber gasket in there, and then spray it with some WD-40, and then put the metal thing back in there again. Anyway, it's a kind of a long job, but you can do it. Just it needs patience and maybe get a buddy to help you out. All right, so head up over here. So as I said, the easier ones, the sliding window is on the outside, so you don't have to bother about taking this other window out. That makes it a lot easier. Okay, good luck. Thanks. Bye.